In this video, I'm going to be going over what is rising action, which is the third part of what is a story plot arc. So remember, we first started with what is a story plot arc. Then we jumped right into what is exposition. Then we are into what is inciting incident. And now we're jumping into what is rising action. Rising action is the long middle section of a story where the conflict intensifies, obstacles multiply, and tensions steadily increase on the way to the climax. It begins right after the inciting incident and ends the moment the story hits the highest point of tension. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. So, what does rising action do in a story? It builds tension, develops a central conflict, raises the stakes, and pushes characters to act. It builds the tension. Each event raises pressure, suspense, or emotional stakes. Develops a central conflict. Problems get harder, complications stack, and characters must respond. Raises the stakes. Consequences of failure grow more serious. Pushes the character to act. Choices become more difficult and more defining. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. So the key components of rising action is inciting incident, which I did separate video on, obstacles and complications, escalating conflict, and mounting suspense. And again, the inciting incident is the event that launches the main conflict. Obstacles and complications, setbacks, twists, red herrings, and misunderstandings. Escalating conflict. Each scene increases pressure and difficulty. Mounting suspense. Readers lean in as danger or emotional tension grows.
Please don't forget me.
So here's a quick summary. Rising action is usually the longest part of the story and contains the most plot meaningful events. Rising action is a series of escalating events that deepen conflict, raises stakes, and pushes the story toward the climax. It's where the tension grows and the characters are tested. Here's your homework. Write only the rising action for this scenario. A character receives a mysterious message on their phone. Okay, so remember for your homework, your rising action must include a complication, a setback, and moments of rising danger. The choice the characters must make. I am honestly excited to see what you guys will be posting in the comments below for this scene here. I'm super excited because I love mystery. So sweep me off my feet, guys. And thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep pumping out this amazing content to help you succeed at writing your story. And if you want to continue supporting me, hit this barcode. Check out my books. I self-published on Amazon. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and may the force be with you always.